So we will start the course by defining the term ethical hacking. It is an ongoing cycle of research and attack against a target or a boundary. It's a set of processes and procedures used by penetration testers in order to circumvent the controls of a certain information system. These controls can be categorized into technical, administrative, and operational. At the end of the day, the owner will be presented by a professional report that shows all of these controls, the vulnerabilities, in addition to an executive summary of the engagement. So what is an ethical hacker? Ethical hacker is a person who can access the system on behalf of its owner after getting a written consent. It's very important here to obtain the consent. The objective of ethical hacking or penetration testing is to make the world a safer place. It's a real world audit in order to reveal our security posture. We have different types of hackers. We have the white hackers, the black hackers, and the gray hackers. The white hat hackers are actually the penetration testers that we will refer to during our course. We're the good guys. A white hat hacker will have access to the system on behalf of its owner in order to test it and reveal the security weaknesses it has. Meanwhile, black hat will access the system without a consent from the user, without a permission from the user to perform some hidden agenda. Meanwhile, gray hackers, they lie in between. They usually access systems without permission, but they don't have some hidden agenda. They just do this for their own benefit. The name of the game is to identify vulnerabilities in the system that can be exploited. It is important to note before going on with this course that the skills that you will learn, you should not leverage them to break into anything that you don't have permission to. It is completely illegal to access systems that you don't have explicit or written permission to. We will perform everything on our VM, virtual machines, or the systems that you actually own. Again, I repeat, this is very important. Please do not exercise the skills that you will learn during this course just to attack systems that you don't own.